we have square root of x plus x equal to 2. So what we're going to do, we're going to move this to the side. We have square root of x equals 2 minus x. So we're going to square both sides. And this means we have 2 of this. Please do not mistake it. This does not mean difference of 2 squares. This only means whatsoever is in the bracket repeated twice. Okay, or duplicated twice. So the signs will not change, they remain the same. So we're going to open this up and we have 4, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times this minus 2x, x minus x times 2, minus 2x, minus times minus, plus x times x squared. So we're going to move this to the side and rearrange them to look like a proper quadratic equation, okay? So we have 0 here, and we have our x squared, we have this plus this, it's going to give us minus 4x, alright? And then this x comes to the side, we have minus x, and we have plus 4, yeah. So 0 equals x squared minus 5x plus 4. So we can just say it's x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0. Okay? So we're going to wipe off the top. So this is the equation we are using now. And we're going to solve this with the formula method. Where our a is 1, our b is minus 5, and our c is 4. So let's substitute that. So this will give us minus times minus plus, and this will give us 25, and this is minus 16 all over 2. So now we can wipe this one and this one. Okay, so this is 5 plus or minus. This will give us 9 square root of 9 all over 2. This means 5 plus or minus 3 all over 2. So this will give us 5 plus 3 over 2, or 5 minus 3 over 2. So our final solutions are 8 over 2 or 2 over 2. And the answers 4 or 1. So we're going to check which of these answers satisfies this equation. So if you've watched this video up to this very point, it means you love this video and you're gaining a lot of value from this video. So please do well to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that when next I upload another video, you'll be notified. So let's go. Check. Square root of x plus x equals 2. So we're using this one. So anywhere we see x, we're going to put 4. So we have this. So this will give us 2 plus 4 equals 2, and this is going to give us 6 not equal to 2. So this does not satisfy the equation. Let's try the other one. where we have x as 1. So this is square root of 1 is 1, so 1, 2 is equal to 2. So D satisfies the equation. Therefore, our solution is x equals to 2. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.